5 life-changing tips to manage your blood sugar. Hey everyone, today we are diving into a topic close to my heart, managing your blood sugar. Whether you're living with diabetes or striving for a healthier lifestyle, I'm here with 5 incredible tips to help you. First, let's talk about your body's best friend, water. Staying hydrated helps flush out excess glucose, so aim for 9 to 12 glasses a day. Simple, effective, and vital. Next, fiber is your ally. It slows glucose absorption, so load up on legumes, vegetables, and whole grains. Delicious and nutritious. Don't underestimate a good night's rest. Sleep is crucial for blood sugar regulation. Aim for 7 hours and cherish your routines. Consider adjusting your meal portions. Sometimes less is more. 2 hearty meals might be better for you than 6 smaller ones. And finally, exercise. Just 30 minutes of moderate activity each day can make a huge difference. Find joy in movement, and your body will thank you.